In this quick example, I want to show you how using Photoshop, you can bring out some extra detail that might have been washed out or hidden in an original photograph. Take your image, just going to go to Image, Adjustments, and then choose Shadows and Highlights. Now by default, your shadows and highlights will come up with a shadows of 35% and a highlights of 0. While this usually does have an effect and help, you can click on the preview to see. I find that I often need to make other adjustments. So I'm going to bring up the highlights. In this case, about 15%. You can see how it starts to bring out some extra detail. And I'm going to drop my shadow amount just a little bit down to about 25%. You can click OK. And just to see a difference between the two versions, we have our original and we have our modified. So if you need to make just subtle little changes to the contrast and bringing out some highlights and details as well as in some shadows, this can be a pretty easy tool to use. It's pretty fast. There's only a single step that you need, and it's just something that you might want to consider looking at.